There's a motivational quote that says, "Some days she has no idea how she'll do it, but every single day it still gets done." This is a story of a day in my life. As a mom and a wife, my day is filled with so many activities. And one of the ways that I love to just unwind and take some stress off is to cook and bake and overall just be creative. Since I've been in my new home, I've just been so in love with my kitchen, and I just love to cook small meals, especially like these banana pancakes I made for my daughter this morning. This recipe was so easy to make. I use a complete mix of buttermilk pancake mix with 1 banana and some milk. Have you ever realized how much cooking can test your patience? One, two, and 3. Yay! Sadly, my pancake came out a little bigger than I expected. I have this beautiful plate I wanted to use, and you can see how large the pancake is. Nonetheless, it still made for a great tasting pancake. Hey guys, there is a lot of butter in this particular pancake recipe, but you do not have to use all the butter. I substituted the sweet syrup for natural raw honey, and it was delicious. Something my daughter and I love to do during the week is that we love to go outside and scout a location and take photos of our outfits. As social media influencers, we find that it's important to take some time during the week to scout locations and take photos. I shoot Kelsey's content and she shoots mine. Another part of my day is focusing on my vintage jewelry business called Vendy Vintage. I take photos and I upload them up to the website once a week. Around midday, I sit down and I grab all my mail and I go through my emails and just sort of like catch up with the day. Since hubby works late, I usually prepare a nice meal for Kelsey and I. I've chopped up scallions to add to ground chicken meat that I've formed into little meatballs, and I'm cooking them in a skillet with coconut oil. To my sweet mashed potatoes, I added cinnamon, sea salt, butter, and a little bit of maple syrup for sweetness. It takes a lot of work to keep a happy home. I choose to love my family by making myself available to them and making them priority in my life.